Today's market outlook. With today's market outlook. With today's outlook. With today's market outlook. With today's market outlook.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis by covering the crude oil market and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The oil-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
Polygon is making some audacious claims to having set new speed and scalability milestones with its Plonky 2 technology in what may be a possible breakthrough for Ethereum throughput. Gold edged lower, weakened by a firmer dollar and elevated treasury yields as investors focused on key inflation data due later this week that could underpin faster rate hikes by the U.S. Federal Reserve. World stocks stumbled again while the 10-year Treasury yield hit a 2-year high as bets that the U.S. Federal Reserve could raise interest rates as soon as March led investors to pair risky assets.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst's review of today's most interesting economic events.
The UK's NIESR GDP estimate will be released at 1300 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 0130 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 0130 GMT. Japan's trade balance will be released at 2350 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 0101 minute GMT. The U.S. Redbook Index at 1355 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
With today's market outlook.